How to create or make your avatar on Instagram. This function currently is only available in the phone and not in computer. Alright, so now first of all, you go to your Instagram account and then you need to go to your Instagram profile. Just click on the bottom right. You can see your picture here. Just click on it and then you will go to your profile. You see there's a 3 lines on top right, which is the burger icon. Just click on it and then you go to settings. Next you go to accounts, then you can see this word called avatar. Click on it and here is a new way to be you on Instagram. So get started. So you can select an avatar template to personalize first. Personalize, or you can create from scratch, whichever that is alright for you. And then you can see you can change the body size, the skin tone, the hairstyle, the face shape, the eye shape, the eyebrow. There's a lot of function here. Basically from head top to toe you can design it, even your outfit as well, headwear, etc, etc. So there's a lot of things you can do. You can even turn on your camera to use yourself as a sample to pre-create. Alright, so I'm not creating this right now, so just do it for sake of doing it for now. Alright, your avatar is being updated. Then you click next and you're done. The avatar is created. Go back to your avatar and you can delete it or create a new one. Okay, so now once you have your avatar, you can just go to, for example, you want to create a story, you want to put a sticker, you can just add your avatar. You can see the avatar here, click on it, and there's a lot of avatars that you can use. Obviously I need to do some editing, but you can do your own editing. So yeah, that's how you can create your avatar on Instagram. If you like what I share, do like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much and I see you next time. Goodbye.